Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I am being lazy today, enjoying this beautiful weather outside. But it is lunchtime, so I'm gonna go inside and make like a chickpea salad, like a tuna-less chickpea salad, I should say. I just can't talk to y'all today. I have so many bloopers on this right now, so we're just gonna roll with this one. I'm trying to make a tuna-less salad, and I make it with chickpeas and nori, and it's super simple. And you can eat it in a sandwich like I'm gonna make it right now, or you can do it just with a salad. I'll actually post a picture. I made it before with a really great fruit salad on the side, and it complements really nice between the sweet and the salty. But before I go on with more bloopers, I'm gonna go in the kitchen and show you guys how to make this. Alright y'all, well that's it. Super simple like I said. Let me know if you try it in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe. We'll see you next time.